You know, of course, Marla, and especially this shot, this scene, you remember there slow-mo while she is exhaling the smoke. She became some sort of cultural symbol. And I myself know a couple women which are deeply moved by her character. And they kinda play this role of dead inside, a little bit dirty, a little bit whore. Of course, it's not happy existence, but these women find it romantic. Of course, this shot is nicely balanced. We have this tilted hat and this cigar, this hand, and even this lamp kinda opposing it. Also, there are some rhythmic motion like the line of the hat, the line of the smoke, the line of the cigarette, the line of the hand, the line of this arm. And also it's interesting that this shot feels very balanced, even though all these lines, as we said, they're tilting towards left. There's a lot of object on the left side of the screen, like this contrast head, this lamp, contrast cigar, this dude, of course our woman on the left side. But it seems like this woman on extreme right part of the screen is enough to balance all of this. And this shot feels like perfectly fine. And by the way, it feels interesting that this cigarette is the only white object in the left part, but there are a lot of white objects on the right. So maybe it also helps to balance the shot. Also, you know, there are some triangle of cold colors, like this smoke and this chair are similar hue and tone and create kind of this balanced triangle. And red things are also balanced, like this ring, these lips, these glasses, and this kind of red stuff on the background. So there's also some repetition. And also these dark blue colors are rhyming, like this jacket, her clothes is kinda blue, and this woman's clothes is also blue. Of course, people's skin tone is also rhyming, as we have 3 people. And bro, I'm just interested, what if we had another... Да ёб твой рот, блядь. What if we had another warm thing in the shot? Maybe not as warm? Nah, it immediately feels bad, you see? It doesn't work at all. Or maybe we could have just some light distribution. Nah, doesn't work too. Maybe a little bit behind her. Kinda okay, but not as good. And by the way, on the miniature, it's more obvious how strong this contrast, this line, you see? I guess it's nicely catching our attention and guiding our eyes like this. Alright bro, I didn't expect this shot to be so deep, but I thought it just nice babe smoking cigarette, but no, it's deeper than it seems. Maybe that's part of the reason why this shot became so legendary. Sorry. I'm not sorry.